Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Hi, welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm meant to be Daphne from Scooby-Doo and Pep is Scooby-Doo. We have Mad Beauty's palette. It looks like the Mystery Machine. I'll open it up so you can have and I'll show you the colour story. This is the colour story here. I'm not really a Halloween. I don't do scary looks. I know it's past Halloween, but I thought I should maybe do something, so I thought we'll do this. What I'll do is I'll put Pep down and we'll create a look. I think we'll probably do a cut crease. I'm thinking of using this colour and blending it out maybe with this, or maybe even this and this, and then probably putting this sort of green shimmer over the lid, and maybe this in my corner, or maybe that in my corner. That's more like a glitter. I'm not always keen on glitters because sometimes I find them quite gritty on the eyes. I do have coming Artitude Cosmetics' new palette. I think it's pronounced Obsessions. It's a very sort of autumn sort of colours palette. It looks very, very nice. I also have Revolution's Wizard of Oz collection coming. That's more like a Christmas collection that you could probably give to somebody as a gift. So probably do something with that as well. And I also have, I'm going to be doing a video probably right after this one, Glamlight. It's my first time trying Glamlight. I have the Ghost Face collection. I have been asked by a few people to do a look with this, so I will maybe do two looks. Maybe like a look that you could wear every day, and then maybe like a cut crease or something as well. I have, if you check my shorts out, you will see I have used this palette a few times, and I have actually just used the Scooby-Doo palette once. I saw it and I thought, okay, it's matte. You maybe remember from a previous video, the Gremlins Mad Beauty. This is another one of their palettes. But anyway, I'll stop talking and we'll dive right into it. I'm going to use, it's an angled brush, and we're going to go into this colour here, which it's named Daphne. Obviously, she wears purple. And we will just start to try and get the shape down. I have to go in a few times with it just to get the colour. Yeah, there seems to be quite a lot of Christmas collections now about to sort of come out. I noticed that Colourpop have re-released their Rudolph collection. And Colourpop, again, is like an American brand. I have got some Colourpop stuff. I do quite like them. Just trying to make sure I get the shape down right here. Kind of looks a bit wonky here. I really liked Scooby-Doo when I was a kid, and Daphne probably was like my favourite, apart from obviously Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo has got to be everybody's favourite character, but out of like I think they're meant to be like teenagers, aren't they? Like in the 60s, 70s, I think, roughly. We'll say 70s. Because they are wearing sort of flares and very sort of, yeah, I think it's meant to be late 60s, early 70s, I think. But yeah, Daphne was probably my next favourite character. Then we're going to go into this one, and that is called, can't actually read it. No, sorry, can't read it. I meant to wear glasses. We're just going to lightly run that, kind of sort of half and half, overlapping that previous shade. And bring it down. wig's annoying me. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I've tucked it in and made it look stupid. There we go. That's better. And we'll do the same as the other side. And I know that Cosmic Brushes, they're meant to be bringing out a Christmas palette as well. Quite intrigued to what the colour story is going to be like. Is it going to be reds and greens? Is it going to be blues? Yeah, I am very intrigued to what that's going to look like. Then I think we're going to go into, using an even bigger fluffy brush, the even brighter pink here. We're just running that over the last colour. Yeah, I noticed that this is quite a Christmas collection. I know Revolution have got other ones. I think they've maybe got, I think is it a Shrek calendar? I have no idea. It's either a Shrek calendar or collection. And there's an Emily in Paris. I'm not sure if it's an advent calendar, but they have that many releases. I lose track. Again, Revolution for me is a hit or miss. I've maybe said this in other videos. I think they are slightly better when they collaborate, you know, with things. Their formula is a little bit better. But I mean, for the price, I suppose they're okay. They're not wonderful. Kind of, I think when they took over from BH Cosmetics, I kind of hoped that they would be a little bit better, but they're not. I'm going in with a flat brush, and I'm just going to spray it, and we're going to go in with that green shimmer here, and that is, oh, that's Velma, that one. A bit strange considering she wears orange. Is it orange she wears? Maybe she just wears green. I can't remember. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to follow my shape. Now you could cut your crease if you wanted with like a P. Louise base or any kind of base, you know, to make it a bit more sharper, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just looking to do it like this. I'll do the same on the other side. And what I'll do is I'll make sure there's swatches of the palette for you as well. There is like a glitter one. I'm not always keen on glitters in palettes. I find them quite, yeah, gritty. That's the only way to describe the feeling. And then I think we'll put on the bottom. We'll put green on the bottom, the darker green shade. Yeah. But yeah, I am going to be filming with the ghost face from Glamlight. And like I said, I have done a few shorts with it. And I do really like the formula. Scream, I remember the first Scream when it came out, going to the cinema to see, you know, going and seeing it and thinking it was brilliant. I'm not really big on scary films. I've probably said this to you before in my previous videos. I don't like really scary. I remember, I think I said in my previous video, my sister put on a film called Drag Me to Hell, and I had nightmares. It was about this, like, I don't know, cursed Dalai Lama. Of course, I was sitting Googling it one night just to try and get a night's sleep. It was like this, like, devil-looking creature with hooves, and then there was a scary woman. It just haunted me. And the other film I really don't like is The Ring. I don't like that person climbing out the TV. What is that all about? It's just, no. I don't mind Scream. I don't mind I Know What You Did Last Summer, Urban Legends, Halloween, Friday the 13th. These kind of films. They're more sort of cheesy horror to me. And now I think, actually, do you know what? I'm going to blend that pink. I might go into this shade here. I'm just wanting to soften it a bit. I just think it's a little bit too harsh. A little bit better. Yeah. Then we're going to go into the lashes. And I'm still using my P. Louise ones that have sat in my house for probably nearly 2 years. I got them when I did the pro course. And I was like, no, nobody's to touch them. And I'm like, why? So yeah, I've just started using them. I've gone in with the duola. I find it easier to do it this way. See, we're having like hooded eyes and too many creases going on as you get older. I just think it's easier for me. And I think I'm going to go into these ones called Flutter Me Fancy. Well, what it was, but see, yesterday when I was doing my makeup, my eyelashes just would not sit. Do you ever have one of those days where one of your eyelashes will sit really, really nice, and then the other one you're just like, oh my god, what is going on with this eyelash? I must have took it off countless times. Now this is the eye here that I'm doing now. I just hope I don't have the same problem as what I had yesterday. It was just, I don't know what it was. It was in the corner. It just kept dropping kind of thing. It was really annoying. Just trying to make sure it's going to stick. I think that's it. Making sure that I like the way that they're sitting. And we'll use my Lash Princess from Essence mascara on the bottoms of my lashes. I probably should have put some on before we put the eyelashes on, but it doesn't matter. Oh, and I've managed to get it on my face because the wig got in the way. I think I've got a wipe. I have got tons and tons of wigs, but I'm not. I go through times where I think, oh, that looks great on me, and then other times I'm like, no, I look stupid. What am I doing? Get that off my head. Try to get this to stay still on my head. Right. Next, we will use a lipstick, and I think I'm going to use a MAC one that I got from my sister for part of my Christmas. It's Cinderella one. It's like a sort of a, I don't know, orangey colour. Try to get this hair to sit. I'm kind of thinking that I want to put something lighter over the top of it. This is a Julie Beauty one that I'm going over now. Over the top. I think I'm going to go in with, and still not quite liking the here, it's just too harsh for me. I'm going to go in with a white colour from the, I just want to soften it, but I just think it looks too, that's a bit better. And then I'm going into my Jenna tutorial palette, and I'm probably going to go into the pink colour, and we'll probably use this highlight as well. I've also used that on my brows, the palette. And I'll just use this brush here. Actually, I'll blush first. So, don't want too much on. And then my highlight. And this is our finished look. Pep's obviously meant to be Scooby-Doo, aren't you? I think you've been trying to pull this outfit off, haven't you? I'll get it off you in a minute. And this is the final look using the Scooby-Doo Mystery Machine palette. I quite like Mad Beauty. This is my second palette from them, and I have to say that I really like it a lot. Hey Pep, I like Mad Beauty, eh? Anyway, I'll be back again very soon with a new look, probably with the Ghost Face collection. Bye! Say bye, Pep. Bye! Bye!
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby-Doo, I see you, pretending you got a sliver. You're not fooling me, 'cause I can see the way you shake.